Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. 10 more minutes, thunderchief building action. Okay everybody, I got all my parts clayed up, with the exception of my canopy and that hatch. I'm going to go ahead and get started molding on these, work on that part. when I'm waiting for resin to set up. Okay, now I got them all clayed up. Now I got to put another coat of wax on here. I just want to make sure all my clay is good. So I got me magnifying glass here, and I just go around the edges, especially now that I got all them colors mixed together and swirling, and sometimes it's just hard to see all of it, you know. So I already went over this and it looks pretty good. Especially after that clay sits for a while. That's what I think, that clay moves when it's cooling down and acclimating and everything, you know. And I just got to be careful here. I can't press too hard and mess my clay up. Can't push real hard on this wood. Already got this wood waxed, so I don't have to worry too much about that. Just want to get another coat on there. I don't think that still needs anything. We'll put a little bit on it. Alright. Need to make a run to Harbor Freight. Get some more paint brushes, some more rubber gloves. And I think even Harbor Freight prices are going up, man. It's nuts. Everybody's price is going up. Everybody. Grocery store, hobby stores. But that Bob TV's still the same. Still free, dadgummit. Alright. This is ready for part off. I'm just going to pick it up. Gonna keep that clamp on that steel rod there as long as you can. Don't want that moving. Don't want nothing moving. Okay, now this one, take a look at it. I like my edges on my mold to be straight, and if your clay ain't straight, your mold ain't gonna be straight. You know, your clay whoops up or whoops down. It all looks good. A little bit of clay in that kind of line. Good to go. I want to start molding before I mess up these parking planes, you know. I want to get this first coat done. Now I've got about a gallon of white resin left. I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and use that on the I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try this method. I got a little bit of that, that harder white resin, you know, that expensive stuff. I got a little bit of this, that surface coat stuff. I'm going to put that in a pastry bag. I'm going to get my edges with that because that's not supposed to chip quite as easy. Just that plain white stuff. And try that method. Plus it dries a lot quicker. That stuff sets up a lot quicker than just that clear resin. And hopefully this won't be a 26-hour ordeal. But I'm just going to get all my part all on tonight and get it ready to go. I was almost thinking about putting my first coat of clear on it. You know, using that first coat as clear resin. But I don't know yet. I guess I'll let you know. Let you know when I'm doing it, you know. I mean, the white resin will work. I'm not, you know, but especially on these smaller parts, I ain't so worried about it. It's just them big old, that fuselage and them wings. And there's a spot right there. Work that clay a little bit, get it loosened up. Just put a little bit on the razor blade.
Yoshi Blade, have your credit card ready and call 1-800-984-0393. That's 1-800-984-0393. So don't delay. Call 1-800-984-0393. Don't delay. Order now. Is your computer running slowly? Does it take...
This is actually one of them. I use this for soldering, but that's the only magnifying glass I got. So we're gonna multi-purpose it. There's a little bit sticking up.
Usually the telltale signs of a virus, and it can only get worse until you act. Get a free diagnosis at mycleanpc.com.
MyCleanPC is outstanding, and my computer is running faster than ever. MyCleanPC came through with flying colors that no one else could.
MyCleanPC totally cleaned up my system. Increased my speed.
MyCleanPC.com can remove spyware, viruses, and infected emails, all speeding up your PC's performance. It offers all-in-one protection, and it's been downloaded by millions of users. Even if you have antivirus software, your computer can still be infected.
There's a spot, kind of a big one.
At MyCleanPC.com.
A little bit bigger spot.
History International.
Our next marksman is a trailblazer in the sport of knife throwing. Meet Todd Abrams. Todd Abrams, also known by his stage name Jack Dagger, is an extreme marksman of the impalement arts.
Knife throwing ain't easy. Just being able to stick a knife into a target is very difficult to learn. And from there, trying to dial it in to where you can hit, you know, the head of a pin, it takes a lifetime of experience. I've been throwing since I was 13 or 14 years old. I think I lied about my age to buy my first knife.
But Todd's expert status depends on him not impaling his assistant, Tanya. If he slips up with one of his throwing knives, it could prove painful.
Beautiful. I don't know if I should have told you guys where the big planes were on Monica's website, on Camlex's website.